Hello everyone and welcome back. So last time we have discussed questions answer of lesson number 7 and 8, and today we are going to discuss question answers of lesson number 6. So I am just going to explain the answers, okay? I am not going to read same to same answer, but I am going to explain the answer. So question number 5, page number 41. First and second, no need to write. Number 3, where was जिया's family going for a holiday? जिया की फैमिली कहाँ जा रही थी? रिया की फैमिली वापी जा रही थी और जिया की फैमिली यस दमन जा रही थी. On the page 42, question number 4. What did Jia tell Ria to do for remembering the journey? जर्नी को याद करने के लिए, याद रखने के लिए जिया ने रिया को क्या बोला? Jia told to Ria to write everything in the book, whatever she is enjoying or seeing in the trip, and even she can take photos and videos. How did Ria's family reach the railway station? Ria की family railway station कैसे पहुंची? We all know that they were starting their journey from Gandhidham station. So from their home they went to station in a auto rickshaw. Who is the person in the train wearing black coat, white trouser and special kind of cap on his head? What do he do? That person is ticket checker. We all know ticket checker wears black coat, white trouser and special kind of cap, and he checks our tickets, or you can say he checks passengers tickets. Which railway station are known as junctions? Now you all know that stations from which, or you can say stations or junctions from which two lines, or you can say two tracks are going in separate line, okay, or separate direction. Stations in which, or you can say from which two railway tracks are going in two different direction, that is known as junction. By which other name is Surajbari Bridge is known as? We all know it is known as entrance of the Kutch. Then which stations did Ria see on the way from Gandhidham to Ahmedabad? Samakyari station seen by the Ria on the way to Ahmedabad. Where do two railway lines go in which different separate from Samakyari junction? सामक्यारी के जंक्शन से दो रेलवे लाइन अलग डायरेक्शन में जाएगी. कौन कौन सी डायरेक्शन में? एक रेलवे लाइन जाएगी पालनपुर साइड और दूसरी जाएगी अहमदाबाद के साइड. इज देयर अ सी नियर कच्छ? इफ यस देन विच? ओके, सो इट इज गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ. देन क्वेश्चन 6. वाई डिड रियाज फादर हैड सेड टू गेट इन द ट्रेन क्वाइटली? रिया के पापा ने ट्रेन के अंदर शांति से चढ़ने को बोला. क्यों? एट दैट प्लेस एट गांधीधाम द ट्रेन वॉज गोइंग टू स्टॉप फॉर 20 to 25 minutes. सो easily everyone can easily go inside the train, right? Everyone can easily board the train. इसलिए रिया के पापा ने ऐसा बोला. नंबर 2. हाउ विल यू recognize ticket checker at the time of journey? We all know the appearance of ticket checker. He wears black coat, white trouser with red tie, symbol of Indian Railways, and name badge, and he also wears special kind of cap on the head. Which facilities are provided in the train? Write in detail. आपको यहाँ पे सारी की सारी फैसिलिटीज़ लिखनी है अगर ये एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जाए. Lights and fans are there in the train. They are also providing bed sheet and blanket in the AC compartments. Then toilets and washroom facilities available. Pantry car where you can find food and beverages. Beverages यानी कि ठंडू पीणू, cold drinks नहीं બધું આવે, hot drinks and cold drinks. Then you will find a pet box also. You will find a chain pulling facility where you can stop the train in emergency, right? So these are the facilities provided in the train. Write about what Ria saw in Ahmedabad from moving train. Ria saw city lights of Ahmedabad and tall buildings of Ahmedabad. What did Ria see on the platform at Ahmedabad railway station? Many trains were standing on the platform. Then there was many announcements were there. Passengers were waiting for their train. Hawkers were selling the things, right? Then people in a red uniform taking the luggage of the passengers. So these are the things seen by the Ria. State the difficulties faced while traveling by train. We will be in problem. There will be push and pull due to the high crowd in the train. ट्रेन में भीड़ होगी तो धक्का मुक्की होगी. If we are not getting seat, then we need to stand in whole journey. Sometimes our sleep will also get spoiled due to the huge crowd. Turn the page. What are the benefits due to the construction of Surajbari Bridge? Now, first of all, before Surajbari Bridge, all the trains which are going to Ahmedabad and Mumbai, they have to go to Palanpur first, and then from there the train is going to Ahmedabad, which wastes a lot of time. Now, because of Surajbari Bridge, time is saved, okay, and now a train can directly go to Ahmedabad and Mumbai side without going to Palanpur. How did Ria and Fiona become friends? Whole night they talked with each other, they played games like snake and ladder. Then Fiona gave her storybook to Ria, and at last they became friends. Why is the little run of Kutch known as White Desert? It can be asked in 2 marks or 3 marks question. Little run of Kutch ne White Desert કેમ કહેવામાં આવે છે? Now we all know that that area is having the layer of salt on it. The land is covered with salt. So in the moon, full moon, it shines, and in the daytime, every day, it looks like white bed sheet. That is why it is known as White Desert. Okay, little run of Kutch is known as White Desert. So here I am stopping myself. When we meet next time, we are going to understand the next chapter. Till then, tata and have a nice time.